guys, back again with Minata on the latest tea. Today I want to talk about a viral controversy on Netflix new 3-episode documentary series, Dancing for the Devil, the 7M TikTok cult. Reveals the alleged existence of the cult. To be precise, it was followed by TikTok dancer creators who are members of the talent management agency 7M Films. The series highlighting Miranda Wilking, a dancer and content creator who has a popular TikTok channel called Wilking Sister. The channel was created by Miranda with her sister Melanie. Because of their popular dancing videos, the sisters amassed millions of followers and were able to land many lucrative deals with brands. However, Miranda began to distance herself from her family after being introduced to her now husband, James Derrick. Miranda signed a contract with 7M Films, a talent management agency owned by Robert Sin, a minister in the Shekinah Church. Although in 2022, 7M Films released a statement that they operate separately from Shekinah Church. Behind the perfectly choreographed TikTok videos, Hollywood mentions red carpet appearances and their appearances on the Ellen DeGeneres show. Most of the dancers on 7M are said to be estranged from their families. They are thought to have been brainwashed and influenced by the 7M Films cult. Is it all for real? You can draw your own conclusion. What is clear here is that in the Dancing of the Devil, Miranda's family said that they had lost Miranda for a long time. In fact, this was also conveyed by her sister Melanie, who was very close to Miranda. The family has tried to establish warm contact with Miranda, but in vain. Communication with Miranda is said to be very shallow. On February 24, 2022, Miranda's family released an Instagram video speculating that 7M was a cult and that Miranda was being manipulated. In this Netflix documentary, testimonials from other content creators who once joined 7M Films but have left management are also shown. Some of them are Concrete, Kylie Gray, and Kylie Douglas, who are still demanding justice for Robert Sin. 7M Films owner Robert Sin started Shekinah as a religious community for Korean Americans. The original members were two Korean immigrants named Melanie Lee and her sister Priscilla, who joined in 1999. However, Melanie Lee left the group, and she admitted to losing contact with her sister for a decade. Lee, who was one of the sources in the documentary, said Robert promised her and Priscilla a love they never really experienced. Sin founded 7M Films in 2021 and signed a group of successful dancers on social media, including Miranda and her husband, James Derrick. The dancer at the agency lived together in one house to create content, which focuses on modern choreography to old hit songs. According to interviews of former 7M members and audio recordings of Sin's sermons, 7M members were asked to die, leaving themselves and their families behind. This means cutting off contact altogether to ensure that they and their loved ones enter heaven in the afterlife. Another former 7M dancer said they were taught to die for their family to save them. It claimed to increase their chance of getting to heaven someday. What? In response to several former church members who made oblique comments about him on social media, Sin filed a lawsuit in 2022 alleging defamation. Sin called the former church members' remarks false statements. assuring his organization is not a cult. In 2023, several former 7M personnel joined in a cross-complaint to report Shin, his wife, their entities, and other affiliated individuals. The claims accuse them of fraud, forced labor, and human trafficking. Shin was also accused of sexual harassment. The case is scheduled for trial in July 2025 in Los Angeles. Till now, no criminal charges that have been filed. Okay, that's all for now. If there is something wrong or not pleasing, I apologize. And if you have a topic you want to discuss on this channel, go to the comment and write. I will do what I can do to address it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.